The Commission has announced that they want to revise and review the Water Framework Directive. Without the Water Framework Directive in Europe, we don't have clean water for people and for living beings in general. At the moment in the European Union, there's only 29% of water bodies which are in good chemical status, so it's very few. And this despite the fact that we have until 2027 to actually reach out good status for all water bodies. So as you can see, we are really far from achieving our objectives. It's really frightening to see the Commission will to actually revise a file that has been deemed fit for purpose during the evaluation of the same Commission. And this means that actually the legal file is adequate to address the situation. And actually we know that there has been a strong lobbying, especially from some sectors, and to name one, especially mining sector. So now the idea is that the Water Framework Directive is an obstacle to permit the degrading projects, and there's a real risk that our water will continue to degrade, both in terms of quality and quantity, and this has huge impacts on human health. At the European Water Movement, we are starting to organize, and you are very much welcome to contact us and organize with a fight for a fair transition and not dismantle everything we've made decades to actually build.